Welcome back, everyone. Just airing down, as you can tell. I'm heading to a spot I've been to 5 or 6 times and I love it. And there's another spot from there I'll go. Hoping it's not busy. It's still peak season. I am still in the southwest of Western Australia. It's sort of, coming to the end of their peak season. Maybe not. But the sooner I get aired down, the quicker I can get you in there and show you the spot. Tyres are all down. It's time to go. Didn't take long at all, did it? Come on, let's get out of here. A little bouncy, obviously. This tracking can get quite soft at times, if I recall. Some spots, one spot, there used to be a hell of a water crossing. But let me just turn that down. But I'm not too sure if that will be the case this time of the year. So, yeah, I've aired down to about, excuse the two-way. Anyone know what that beeping is? I've got no idea. But I've aired down to about 18 psi just to be safe, so I can just cruise, no strain on the vehicle. But like this little spot here can get quite soft. Looks like we've had a bit of traffic, but we'll see when we get in there. Oh, what a spot. Oh, a bit rough. Definitely shaking everything about in the fridge. Not a bad spot, is it? It's quite nice. Another couple of cars over the other side of the bay, but I don't think they're hanging around. I think they'll probably pack up and shoot off, because that's the side I want to be on. I'm hoping they pack up and shoot off, otherwise I'm going elsewhere. But I'm a little bit protected from the wind here. Not a lot, but a little bit. But how nice does that water look? Magic spot. Let's go see how cold that water is, eh? Oh, it's not that bad actually. Not too bad at all. It's not cold, but it's not warm, if you know what I mean. It's just nice. Might even have my name written all over it for a dip later. But at the moment, I'm just going to stand around and enjoy. Take it all in. And relax. Not much is really going to happen in the next few hours, I don't think. It's just going to be chill time. See what these people are doing. I'll give them another hour, and then if they don't bugger off, I'll go to the other spot I was going to camp at. But at the moment, I'm enjoying this, and I'm just going to maybe have a wander over the rocks and just chill. I think I'll wait till a bit later to flick the rod if I do. But yeah, how good is it, eh? How is this for a spot? Bit of green grass, you don't get too often. Magic, absolutely magic. Ocean views, private little beach down there, which you would have seen on the footage. Ah, how good, eh? Walk down there, there's a little path, I'll show you. Come on. Before I set up and get comfy, if you turn around, excuse the wind, there's a little path there going down. Someone's had a fire here, but I'm not going to have one tonight. I don't think it's fire season right yet, so that's all right. We come down here. Down, boom, 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 boom. Look at that. Private little beach. How good, eh? Or the big beach, whichever. Doesn't matter. I'm guessing high tide this will be full of water here. And I'll probably be stuck up there. But this is just magic little spot. Like always, I'm not going to tell you where it is. You have to find it like I did. I had help many, many years ago. But, yeah. Magic little spot. Tucked out of the way. Well, I don't know if I'll set the awning up because it's just blowing straight on shore and I really can't be bothered. So I might just get the deck chair out, sit back, have a couple of nibbles. I don't know if I'll bother throwing the rod tonight, flicking the line. It's a little bit choppy, like windy, sorry. As you could probably hear in the mic now and then with the wind blowing. But yeah, I don't know. I think I'd be struggling in this wind, to tell the truth. I might have to go over there. I cop a bit more wind here. It's meant to back off as the night goes on, so. But let's set up camp. I should set up the rooftop, but I just can't be bothered. Just being lazy. Really lazy. How nice is this spot? As usual, nobody around. Hey. Well, that's everything sorted. Bed's made. A couple of batteries on charge. Might go for a little walk down and have a look around the rocks. You never know what you might see. Last time I was here, I was with my son. And there was a couple snorkeling in here. I didn't bring my snorkels this time, I wish I had. But they found a big ockie. Showed it to my son, he was quite stoked. Didn't spear it or anything, everyone left it. Let it live another day. But yeah, beautiful little spot. Well, cheers. Well, I'll have one drink in my old Australian camper trailer.org or trailers.org. 2011, 10th birthday. I don't even know if that's still going. I used to be a member way back in the day. Cheers to another day lived the way it should be. Exploring and enjoying this great country of ours. Woo! Oh, that sun. Might as well pretty well say I'm in the shade from now on. Rooftop's nearly all in it. Probably another hour and it'll start getting dark, I'm guessing. What did I buy them for? Oh. Oh. I'm going to sit down, relax, and enjoy it. It's nothing else to do. It's magic evening. It's getting a little bit chilly, but she'll be right. Be able to see this, but right over on the other hill over there is a roo. Let's see if I can zoom in. You can't see, it's right where my nail is kind of thing. Right on the edge. What a bummer. That's pretty cool. If I had a big zoom, I would have zoomed in. Maybe I should get better cameras. That looks pretty cool. Nothing more Australian than that. Kangaroo sitting out there having a feed. I probably wouldn't have seen it if I had my glasses. Didn't have my glasses on. Magic. Just had the drone up and I'll show you now. There's an emu out the back there. I should have gone over there to that row because I think it's still... Yeah, there's two up there now. Should have flown over there, but I didn't think of it till just then. But yeah, there's an emu out the back there in the clearing. It's pretty cool to see. Wildlife. Oh, starting to get cold. Seriously cold. I think it might be trackies and jumper time shortly. There was a guy on the beach, but he's just disappeared. Don't know where he went. I didn't hear him come. I just looked up and he was there, and now he's gone. So yeah, oh, thought I was going to have a neighbour. Oh, getting a little bit chilly.